are the masseters. Okay, and then ito, the lower jaw. So that's digastric. Ito. Okay, digastric. And then ito, pangit yung ano ka, sorry din. Kaya kasi siya eh. So yung mylohyoid niya, supposed to be here. Pero ayun siya sa loob, no? Kasi that's the most superficial muscle of the neck. Lower jaw pala ito. Ito, yun. Okay? So, yung mga glosses hindi na namin sinaman. Anyway. Then we have the muscles of the neck.
Di ata ka. 7 minutes? Oo. Kasi yun? Sige, hindi na.
Ito, ha? So again, look at the clavicle. Okay. So what is this muscle? This one? Ngayon, it's the cleido. Naturo na natin yan. Clavicle, and then mastoid. So cleido, mastoid, diba? Then ito. So again dito. So this is the fascio clavicularis. Dalawa na. And then ito, arising from the balik natin muna. Okay. So arising from the sternum. So you have here the sternum. Ulit, mastoid. Kasi you have the mastoid process of the temporal bone. Okay. So again, sternomastoid. Sternomastoid. Dalawa. So ito yun. No? And then sa atin pala, sternocleidomastoid sa atin. Okay, and then, so this is sternomastoid. Sternomastoid. And then, you have to remove the fascia here to reveal the deeper muscles pa. No? So, kasi linis na to eh. So, yung sunod, ito, again, sterno. Then, ito, hyoid naman. No? So, sternohyoid. Sternohyoid. Okay? And then, beneath the sternohyoid, ayun.